डेंग्यू दुयेंसाची लागण मे म्हयन्याच्या निमाणे कडेन ते ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्या मेरेन जाता। फाटल्या वर्सा डेंग्यू दुयेंतींचो आंकडो खूब आशिल्लो। दुयेंतांचो आंकडो उणो करपा खातीर दोतोरांनी खूब कश्ट घेतल्यात। डेंग्यू दुयेंसाची लागण जावची न्हय म्हूण जी कितें कामां करपाक जाय ती आमी पावसा पयलीं करतात। देखून फाटले वर्साचे तुळेंत अंदू वर्सा डेंग्यू दुयेंतींचो आंकडो खूब कमी जाला, अशी माहिती दोतोर कल्पना महात्मे हांणी दिली।
That district of that state, that state program officer takes action, preventive action. Dengue, that our transmission season has started. Transmission season can start at the end of May till September end or October, depending upon the rains. So this transmission season is started. For example, April, for the month of April, we had 6 cases. For the month of May, we have 4 cases. Whereas last year, 2024, एप्रिल महिन्यात 19 केसीस आशिल्ल्यो डेंग्यू आणि मे महिन्यात 21 केसी आशिल्ल्यो, ज्यो आतां 4 केसी आसा। सो आतां ह्यो केसी कमी जावपाक वी हॅव टेकन लॉट ऑफ पेन्स. वी हॅव वर्क प्री monsoons, okay, because we cannot start our work during monsoon because for dengue as well as malaria is available in all the health centers. I'm happy that you can always also propagate this, that is available free of cost in all our health centers and even the treatment, so that they should come immediately. They should not neglect. खंयचो जोर आयलो ग्रीप म्हणून दवरपाचें ना, रोखडेच हेल्थ सेंटरान येवपाचें आनी ते टेस्ट करून येवपाचें. This year, for example, now from January to May. So in January we had 7 cases, February 9 cases, then March 7, April 6 and May 4.
म्हणजे गेल्या वर्साकून ह्या वर्सा खूप कमी आसा.
गेल्या वर्सा पळय आमकां जानेवारीन 35 केसीस आशिल्ल्यो, मागीर फेब्रुवारीन 20 आशिल्ल्यो, मार्चान 22, मागीर एप्रिलान 19 आनी मेन 21 केसीस. सो कंपेर्ड टू दीस द स्टॅटिस्टिक्स मच लेस दीस इयर.
उत्तर गोंयांत चड प्रमाणात कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायट कुळागरां आशिल्ल्यान दक्षिण गोंया परस उत्तर गोंयांत चड प्रमाणात डेंग्यूची दुयेंती मेळटात। डेंग्यूची लागण जावची न्हय म्हूण लोकांनी जतनाय घेवची अशें आवाहन दोतोर कल्पना महात्मेन केलें।
Dengue mosquito breeds in and around the houses. So people should take care that they do not store water. So I think that if our people, the community especially, takes initiative that I will keep my house and my surrounding free of water stagnation, then and I will not let a mosquito to breed, then we will not get cases. South is much better off than the north because north there are more of construction. Regarding malaria, आता malaria, the state of Goa is in the elimination phase of malaria. आमकां गोंयान इंडिजिनस केस मेळना, लोकलान आमकां मलेरिया मेळना, पण आमी इम्पोर्टेड केसीस मेळटा. म्हणजे आमकां ज्यो भायले इन्फ्लक्स येता, कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायट, वेरेवर हॉटेल्स, एनीवेर वी आर टेस्टिंग देम. As per Goa Public Health Act, it's mandatory that we screen them. So we are screening them and we are finding we do get positive, and these on that same day we are cross notifying it to that state, and we have a data which state we are cross notifying, and आमी cross notify कित्याक करता, so that state, that district of that state, that state program officer takes action, preventive action.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान वर्षा आशवेकार।